Good day, everybody. Today we're going to do lesson plan number 9, term 2, grade 6. Firstly, we're going to look at the link, how it links to the CAPS. Then we're going to look at the resources, what we need to do this activity. This lesson plan is going to be a very practical activity. Then we can read the quote. And then these are examples of making 3D models and how we did it in the previous grades. So in the previous grades, what we did is we made use of shapes and then it formed a 3D object. What we're going to do now is we're going to make 3D objects using nets. But before that, we need to warm up today. So we're going to warm up by starting with our mental maths. It's based on the 3 and 8 times table. So what I want you to do is to get ready to answer these, to your learners to answer these questions and you to ask them. They can answer it orally or they can write it down. I want you to pause. Welcome back. I'm going to reveal the answers. So you're going to check the answers. You can mark it and see how you did. Okay, so today we're going to go look at 3D objects again and nets. You can pause here. What I did is I gave you all the drawings for the 3D objects with their names. Just to start off, you can revise them. Just to name all these objects again. And then before we're going to go to the practical activity, I just quickly going to go to this website, the website we used before. I'm going to show you first a very complex 3D object, but that's also very fun to have a look at. So I'm just going to stop it so I can drag it or spin it myself. What you can do is you can make it multicolors, so it looks like this. You can make it shaded. And then you can make it in beams so you can see how it's made up. So I'm going to go to pure glass again so we can see right through it. And then I'm going to click off the solid and I'm just going to show you the net. So this is then the net, the pattern. If we fold this, it will then form the solid. I'm going to explode it as well so you can see how it's made up by different shapes. So just quickly, something that links to what we did do is I'm quickly going to go to the octagonal prism then. You can see how it looks like. I'm going to stop it. I'm going to spin it and so you can explore it. I'm going to explode it so you can see how we make a 3D object in the previous grades. But what we're doing now, we're not exploding it anymore, but we make use of a net. So we got a pattern and we're going to fold it so we then have a solid like this. So let's go then back to the lesson. So if we're back in the lesson, so some of these you already made. I want you to tick those and then you're going to make these others. Nets you can easily download from the internet or you can always contact us at SA Teacher. Keep it practical, keep it fun, and enjoy. Then lastly, you're going to do a problem solving activity. We also gave you or added a challenge that's not related to today's activity, but something just nice to keep the mind going. And then we come to the consolidation where you're going to, if you click yes, you can carry on with the next lesson. No, you need to revisit or revise certain concepts.